Finally, so, after a while, now he has been arraigned. Could you tell us if you are comfortable with the bail conditions of 100 million naira that has been granted to the defendants?
Well,
given the tune that they are arraigned for.
This is one of the two cases filed against the former minister. So the first one is taken before this lordship here. So we are going to contend for the other one in another date. So, but the bail is at the discretion of the court. So it's for the court to decide whether it is adequate or not. So the counsel, in his own right, cannot criticize the judge whether the conditions are liberal or high or low. But I think it is fair. Yes,
so
thank you.
One more question, sir. You amended your
Yes.
Why did you have to?
Well, there are other issues that were introduced, like the Nigerian Airways, the Ethiopia something, which we added to it. So it was not there originally, but Nigerian Air matter is there are 2 counts on it. That's why we amended it. Thank you.
And then finally, sir, you said there's another case.
Yes, sir. Yeah, before this call 10. We are going there to collect a date for the arraignment. Yes, a different case.
Let's get clarity on the conditions.
The condition that one of the surety must own property in Abuja and must deposit some money out or bond and all those things. So I don't think it's strenuous. It's a condition that is unfair. It's very fair to them.
All right. Thank you.
I'll be calling you now. We'll get Which one is this? Sir, what's the word? Let's go with that.